Today I'm going to show you how you can add and use keyframes in CapCut PC. So here I'm in CapCut. I already got a clip. The first step is to split the clip. So you need to decide where you want the first keyframe to be placed. So in my case, I'm going to put it here to the part where I'm not talking. So I'm going to click split, and then I'm going to find the other end of the clip, or the other part where the animation should finish. So let's say this part here, and I'm gonna split it again. Let me just select the beginning of the clip where I want to place the first keyframe, which is this one here. And I'm going to go to video, basic, and click this diamond here. I'm gonna say add keyframe, and I'm going to select the other end of the clip, and I'm gonna make the scale bigger. So let's say 135. So now if I pivot the video, it is zooming in slowly, right? So while it is zooming in, I'm going to adjust it. Adjust it again. But we see that the scale is moving or increasing because of the keyframes that we added. So let me play it again. Yeah. So now if I full screen and go to that part, let me just go back here. But we see the keyframes, right? So the keyframes are, the first keyframe is here and the second keyframe is here. So to the last of, to the other end of, almost to the other end of the clip. Okay, so let me full screen and play the video again. Now we see that it is moving closer or zooming in slowly. So that's how you can add and use keyframes in CapCut. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.